Hi guys, and welcome back to Rich Tech Talk. The title says it all. We're here to unbox the brand new flagship from Apple, the iPhone XS and the iPhone XS Max. I first just want to give a shout out to my friend DJ SideFat for letting me borrow his iPhone XS. I promise I'll keep it safe. I won't drop it. The wrap will stay on, smudge-free iPhone for you, my friend. Back to the unboxing. We're first off going to look at both of these boxes. As you can see, Apple again has new wallpaper for their iPhones. Both of these wallpapers, the pattern, if you notice, is a bit different. Not exactly the same, which is a very nice touch from Apple. Anyways, getting back to the unboxing, let's do this. First off, iPhone XS. Ooh, love that sound whenever I unbox an iPhone. And this is what you get when you unbox an iPhone XS. As usual, some paper that says designed by Apple in California, and some more paperwork and your beautiful Apple stickers. Putting the paperwork aside, we have the brand new iPhone XS. So there are three different colors. There's space gray, there's silver, and the brand new gold, which silver and gold we did not get, I do not have with me. However, there have been a couple mentions that gold looks a bit pink, too pink. And so if you're someone that is worried about that, then I wouldn't recommend the gold to you. And then after that, you have your power brick, AirPods, and of course USB. Power your phone. And next, the iPhone XS Max, which should pretty much be the same. Nice and brand new. Paperwork. Same paperwork. Then, for your SIM card slot, which we will do in a second. And then your Apple stickers right here. This is the 6.5 Retina, Super Retina HD display, iPhone XS Max. AirPods again, USB, and power brick. So, now the moment of truth. Does this phone from Hong Kong come with a dual SIM slot? Or is it an eSIM? That's something that some people are actually wondering, aren't sure, want to know, and yes it does. You can see there's an indentation on one side, over here, and then if you flip it around, there's another indentation on this side. So Hong Kong/China phones do come with a dual SIM slot tray. So I hope you guys like this quick unboxing of the iPhone XS and the XS Max. For anyone that uses two SIM cards, or for any travelers that need to switch out their SIM cards on a daily basis, then Apple finally has a solution for you, and that's the XS and the XS Max. The XS is going straight back to my friend DJ SideFat. Thank you so much for letting me borrow this. I hope you enjoy your iPhone XS. And a full review of the iPhone XS Max is coming very, very soon to Rich Tech Talk, so please stay tuned to that. And I hope you guys like this unboxing video. Please stay tuned. This is Rich Tech Talk, and I'll see you guys in the next video.